Hello everyone, hope you all are doing great. I myself Sheikh Mohammed. I think most of you aware, okay, it's about me, it's fine. So today's session, what I'm going to do, I'll tell you what session we are going to do. As everyone knows, the most difficult paper 3, everyone's scared about paper 3. Most of them are scared about paper 3. But like every year, I used to, that is this type of programs I used to conduct every attempt. Okay, this type of programs I always conduct. And this attempt also I'm conducting today, so that you will get 1 month time. In this 1 month time, whatever I'm telling you, just try to use it in your preparation. So strategy cannot be planned at the end of, at the beginning, that is next month, that is before the examination. Immediately before the examination is not possible. It has to be given now only. So please take down the note. Today what and all I'm going to talk about. First, what are the problems generally people face while writing CA foundation exams? Second, where people are losing marks. Third, strategy. And fourth one is I'm going to talk about weightage. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do today's program. Fine. Yeah. Sneha is asking, sir, is this recording will be available on YouTube? I'm doing recording, but let me see whether it is available on YouTube or not. I'll let you know. Okay, fine. Stay connected with me, my dear, for the recordings and all. Okay, guys. Once again, good evening to everyone. So let me start with the program. How to approach CA Foundation Paper 3. First of all, I should thank all for joining today's program. I'm really very happy to see the count. Okay, I'm really very happy to see the count, because now I'm an independent teacher. Okay, being an independent teacher, looking at this much crowd is, I'm always very happy, my dear. Thank you for trusting me. Okay, so you are simply great. But I'm telling you, my dear, this 1 hour 15 minutes definitely is not going to, that is, it is going to be memorable moment throughout your life, because this is going to build your career, my dear. So thanks for joining with me. Now, CAFC paper 3. Every attempt, people are in every attempt. You take any attempt, you ask anyone, sir, which paper you struggles the most? All will say, sir, I'm a little scared about paper 3, sir. If I clear paper 3, sir, I'll become a chartered accountant, sir. See, other 3 papers, they don't bother only. See, actually, you have to clear all the 4 papers. But still, what exactly our mindset is, sir, if I clear paper 3, then I'll become a chartered accountant, sir. This is the only paper which is stopping me to become a chartered accountant, sir. That's what your mindset. Fine. Please underline the word mindset. Actually, that is not true. That is not true. So today I'm just going to reveal what exactly the situation is, what people are framing about this paper 3. People means it includes me also as a faculties. To get more number of students, we ourselves say, no, paper 3 is difficult. It's not like that, my dear. Okay, I'll give you today the simple strategy, because I myself will tell you paper 3 is very difficult. So you have to be very careful. So join me so that I can take the tuitions. See, that is wrong attitude. That is nonsense. Okay, I'm telling you this openly. I don't mind of saying this. But still, we are struggling. That is for sure. But that struggle is not because of the subject. Struggle is what you are thinking about the subject. Okay, subject is very simple. What exactly you will say? Sir, up to 10th standard I did mathematics, sir. The reasons what and all you can say, sir, up to 10th standard I did mathematics, sir. 11th and 12th I have not done mathematics. That's what? I am not good in this paper, sir. You can say that. Point number 1 taken. Point number 2, sir, even up to 10th standard also I did not like mathematics only, sir. Okay, I did not like mathematics, sir. I scored, actually I passed, sir. That is a big deal in mathematics. This is second thing you will say. But let me answer both the things, my dear. I don't believe those things. I always believe in one thing. Today's generation, you people are more intelligent than us. At least me. Okay, at least me. That I will definitely agree with you people. There is no debate. For me, you people are more intelligent, and I learned so many things from you. Okay, that is what still I am growing. It is only because of you people. So don't underestimate yourself. Please understand that, because I have got overconfidence in you. You are great. First, you remember this. Second, sir, up to 10th standard also I was not good in mathematics, sir. No way, my dear. See, you are good in mathematics, that's why you cleared your 10th standard. Up to 10th standard, you did mathematics, na? Sir, I just scored 35, 40. Array, you scored that 40 marks, na? That is more than enough. Sir, I scored only 55, sir. Array, that is what I want here. Here, how much I want? Do I need 100 out of 100? No. We want hardly 45, 50 marks to clear this paper. That we are already doing it, na? Then why should you bother about it? This is point number 2 taken. Point number 3. Sir, 11th and 12th I have not done my mathematics, sir. Very good. 11th and 12th I have not done my mathematics, sir. Superb. So that is the reason I am struggling a lot, sir. Do you know one thing, my dear? 10th standard syllabus, 11th and 12th syllabus. Let us divide in these 2 ways. Okay, one is up to 10th standard. Other one is what? 11th and 12th syllabus. Okay, paper 3, how much marks? 100 marks. Maths, stats and logical reasoning. Maths is for 40 marks. Stats for 40 marks. Logical reasoning 20 marks. Fine. Mathematics 40 marks only. We are worried. Let me talk about mathematics 40 marks. Up to 10th standard, everyone did mathematics. Especially the students, if anyone joined from Bombay, I hope. Up to 10th standard, how it was? Sir, geometry was some different subject. Algebra was different subject. Okay. Most of you did not like geometry for some reason, because I was being a geometry teacher, I like a most. But I know what exactly response we get from the students, that I know. Okay. But algebra, of course, everyone liked algebra. This is point number 1. Here in our CA Foundation paper 3, there is no geometry paper. There is no geometry. That is, subject is not there. That is point number 1. Second, see, in algebra also, 40 marks CA Foundation paper 3 from mathematics, right? 40 marks CA Foundation from mathematics. In that, can you believe, don't get shocked, 32 marks, minimum 32 marks, up to 10th standard level only. That is what your syllabus is. Okay, if anyone say, no sir, you are no, wrong sir, no my dear, I will list down today, I'm going to just do all the post-mortem, everything my dear, then you will agree with me what exactly I spoken now. So, 10th standard, up to 10th standard, whatever syllabus you did, if you are good with that, even if you scored 50 marks in that paper, still I can tell you my dear, you can easily score 20-25 marks from mathematics alone. Let me come to that point again. So, 32 marks. Based on 10th standard syllabus, up to 10th standard syllabus, sorry. In that 32 marks, at least 15 to 17 marks, 8th standard, 9th standard syllabus, sorry, 8th standard syllabus. Okay, 8th standard syllabus, please note it down. 8th standard syllabus, at least 15 marks. Sir, I am up to 8th standard, I used to score 100 out of 100 in mathematics, sir. After 8th standard, when they divide maths and algebra and geometry, sir, from there I started struggling, sir. Of course, 8th standard, if you know, that is 17 marks we have, but still we are struggling. But see, no one says this. If as a faculty, if I say, hey, up to even 8th standard knowledge, you can score easily 15, 16 marks, you will not join me. So that is what the myth everyone created, my dear. Please understand the myth. Okay, so please break that. Okay, break everything. That is second thing. Okay, sir. Then that remaining 8 marks, 11th and 12th, sir. Of course, remaining 8 marks, 11th and 12th. I will tell you the topic names. You also know about it. Permutation combination, which you don't like at all. I understand that. Which no one likes that permutation combination. I don't know. So for me, if you ask me, such a fantastic topic it is. At least my students also will agree with me. Those who attended my lecture, permutation combination, no one used mathematical trick. Everyone used their brain, because the way using fingers we used to solve everything. Fine. Point number 1. Next, sir, another paper, sir. Now this time you are gone, sir. Calculus, sir. That is derivatives and integration, sir. It is very difficult, sir. Wow, fantastic. It is very difficult. So because of that, I am unable to score good marks in mathematics, sir. Hey, my dear students, in calculus, from calculus, do you know how many questions are coming in the examination? Last time 3 marks came. So do you think that 3 marks is going to disturb your 40, that is disturb your CA dream? Do you think that? So these all are reasons, I will say. These all are reasons. So don't say that 3 marks is going to disturb your career. What you are thinking, sir, I want to become a chartered accountant. There is that. This 3 marks, definitely no, my dear. Definitely no. So, sir, if I leave, anything can happen. That is, can I clear, sir? That I will not tell openly. Now, from my statement, you need to understand. Okay, whatever statement I am saying, from there, you need to understand, okay, sir is communicating this, because being a teacher and being a responsible teacher, I will never say, do this, don't do this. That is wrong statement at all. I want everyone should do everything. Of course, the students who are attending my lecture, they are going to accept that, because I always teach everything. But after teaching that, I will tell them, if it comes in the examination, if I am writing this exam, okay, if I am a student, if I were a student, and I'm writing CA foundation examination, if this particular question comes, I will not attend. This is what I always say. I will never say that you don't attend the question. That I will not say. But I know the question is difficult. I know the question is not going to come in the exam. Still I will teach, because you have right to learn. Please understand that. Still I will teach. You have right to learn. So you need to learn everything, but at the same time we should know when to say no. Please understand this, okay? So we should know when to say no. This is very important thing, my dear. Don't fight with your egos. Always the egos, na? No, I have to attend this. Arey, this sum I know. Classroom, na, the teacher taught me nicely. I remember this. I have to attend. Arey, what happens if you attend? You are screwed, my dear, I'll tell you. For example, every question you can take hardly 25 to 30 seconds. But if one question takes 5 to 6 minutes, what will happen? You are gone. So time is the key. That is, time plays very important role in your paper 3, my dear. So please understand this. Okay. So today I am going to talk about these things, and the very, as I said in the video, the very important thing, the approach towards the paper, whatever you are doing, it is wrong. I can tell you this openly. Okay. Anyone, any teacher, let them come and fight with me. I don't mind. The approach, because what I have seen, many places, many institutes are underestimating our CA foundation students. That is, for CA foundation students, only one subject, they are underestimating only one subject, that is paper 3. That is paper 3 they are underestimating. That I don't like it at all. Underestimating in the sense, the person who is writing IIT JEE, how much importance a faculty is giving for, that is, as a faculty, maths faculty, how much importance he is giving it to students, and the same way the students replica. Okay, students also giving lot of importance to maths. Faculty giving importance to maths, and the students also giving importance to maths. In this case, what happens? The most difficult exam you are ever, that is in the country you are going to write. Okay, most difficult exam in the country you are going to write. So are we doing the same thing, my dear? As a faculty, am I giving that importance to you? That is $1 million question. Since I am not giving importance, I don't want to blame any children here. Sir, students are not, I speak with so many junior faculties because I train many people. So I speak, they always say, sir, these students, na, sir, they are not at all responding, sir. Arey, sir, these students, na, sir, arey, whatever I teach, arey, kitna bhi padayega na, sir, in log ko kuch samasya nahi. This is the language people are using. And I totally disagree with that. Okay, totally disagree with that. That's the wrong statement. That is, and remember, as a responsible faculty, we are not supposed to tell like this. Arey, you have right, my dear, you have right to learn these things. That is what you have given this book, na? As a faculty, it's my responsibility to teach you. Okay, that responsibility is missing in so many places. And the second thing is, as I told you, the approach, I will show you one small example. Okay, just I'll show you one small example. Okay, wait. Yeah, I'll show you one small example. I think you can see the screen. Okay, I'll show you one small example. There is a question which was asked in the exam 2 to 3 times. This is the question. We need to find out the value, approximate value to be found out. What is it? Approximate value to be found out. Now listen here. Approximate value to be found out. How we do? You tell me, my dear, how we do? Sorry. How we do, you tell me. So root 6 plus root 6 plus root 6 plus dot up to infinity. Sir, what I will do now, sir? I'll take it as x, sir. Sorry. I'll take it as x, sir. Okay. I'll take it as x. After taking x, I'll square it on both the sides. I'll form a quadratic equation. So 6 plus root of 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus up to infinity will come, sir. Then I'll make it as x square equal to 6 plus x, sir. Then I'll form a quadratic equation, sir. X square minus x plus minus 6 is equal to 0. Then x minus 3 into x plus 2 equal to 0. So x is equal to 3 comma minus 2. Since minus 2 is not possible, therefore the value is equal to 3. Wow, fantastic. And we are happy, sir. See how big sum I solved it. Arey, my dear, this is not the approach. When you just learn from a school teacher, this is what you are going to learn. And you are writing competitive exam, you are not writing board exam, sorry, you are not writing school examination or any junior college exam, you are writing competitive exam. When you are writing competitive exam, the approach also should be like that only, na? This is wrong approach. I will say this. Okay, I will say this. You can see, I can, out of, that is 40 marks, that is full mathematics, your book, you have got some 11 chapter, 9 to 11 chapters it has got, because I got the bifurcation also, 9 to 11 chapters you have got. 9 to 11 chapter, at least 9 chapters has got shortcuts. We can solve each and every sum by using tricks. See, I will say this answer. The 6 can be written as product of 2 consecutive numbers. Mandatory. Product of 2 consecutive numbers. What are the 2? See, 6 ones are also 6, 3 2s are also 6. But I will go with what? 3 2s are, that is the rule. Consecutive, that's the trick. Okay. 3 into 2. Fine, I'll write this. Since there is a positive sign. If there is a positive sign, the answer is always greater number. Answer over. For example, see, I think it's there in ratio proportion question, it's there in ratio proportion additional question mark, that sum is there. Quadratic equation, this question is there. Now in this case, sir, 12, sir. Product of 2 consecutive numbers, 4 into 3, sir. There is a negative sign, sir. Therefore, smaller number is going to be my answer, my dear. Smaller number is going to be my answer. Answer is over. Why do we require this working? Sir, this is very simple. That is okay. Already 2-3 steps only, na, sir. So I think you have done like this, sir. It's okay. But what if, sir, I'm talking to mathematics students especially. I'm talking to mathematics students because you know integration very well. Sir, what if partial fraction question comes? What you will do, sir? Because it's a big question, na, sir. Partial fraction comes. UV method rule comes. What will happen, sir? Look at this, my dear. Do you want to know what I do? Even my students do. That is, you all are, of course. Of course, you all are doing it. I know it. This is the question. We have to integrate. This is for non-mathematics students also. Not only for mathematics students, non-mathematics students also. You people are thinking, na, integration is very difficult. Integration is very difficult. No way. Integration is what, you know, like cakewalk. Okay, fine. Integral of x plus 1 divided by x plus 2 into x plus 3. In this case, how I approach this sum? I am going to write the answer directly. First, I will write log of x plus 1, log of x plus 2 plus c. Okay, next, put x is equal to, here 1 is there, put x is equal to, sorry, here denominator 2 and 3, na? So 3 and 2, let me write, okay? Yeah. Now, first one is what? Whatever is there in the denominator, that I have to write log. First is x plus 3. So put x is equal to minus 3. Don't substitute here, only here you substitute. Minus 3 plus 1, minus 2, minus 3 plus 2, minus 1. Minus 2 by minus 1 is 1. So, sorry, minus 2 by minus 1 is plus 2. So, you can put it 2. So, next one is x plus 2. X is equal to minus 2. Put x is equal to minus 2, not here, rest of the places substitute. Minus 1 by plus 1. Answer is over, my dear. You can check. Okay, you can check it. Okay, if I am writing, I can do it in what, 10 seconds, not even 10 seconds. Okay, this partial fraction question is very, very important question. Of course, you are aware about it. For example, x square into e power x. Sir, this is integral by parts. Integral of u dv is equal to u minus integral of v du. Sir, wow, fantastic, my dear. I think the students who are attending my session, they know it. I never applied integral by parts. For CA foundation, I don't teach integral by parts. But still, this sum is very important. Then how to solve it? Is there a direct answer you can write? E power x into x square minus 2x plus 2. This is the way you should get training, my dear. This is competitive exam. This is not any of your 12th standard board exam kind of thing. And one more thing, institute is not expecting Ramanujam or Shakuntala Devi. So don't behave like your Ramanujam and Shakuntala Devi. You are not, no need to be Ramanujam and Shakuntala Devi. We are not going to send rocket to the moon. We are going to do the audits. Audits for basic knowledge, analytical skill needed. These are the things, analytical skills, my dear. Okay, why should I learn so many formulas in my life? Okay, what I am going to do? Am I going to apply minus b plus or minus root of v square minus 4ac by 2a in my day-to-day life? No. That is what your question also. Even I am also asking the same question. Why should we learn this? That's what the problem, real problem. Your approach toward the subject, totally wrong. Approach towards the subject, totally wrong. You need to change your approach. What exactly the approach? You are approaching towards the subject as well. I am learning mathematics. No. I am giving CA foundation exam. No. Actually, you are learning some analytical concept. Okay, for a competitive exam. This is what your approach should be. But what we are doing is, wow, mathematics I am doing. No. For you, accounts is very important. For you, law is very important. Okay, mathematics also. See, being a mathematics teacher, I am telling this. Accounts is, can anyone say this? I don't know. Accounts is very important. Law is very important. So there you go and learn so many things, my dear. Here, what is needed, that much you learn and go. And just clear the paper. Once you clear this paper, then you are, see, for you, costing is not a difficult paper, whatever, because I have been in this field for last 24 years. Okay, and I have taught more than, because of being a mentor, I used to do the mentorship of so many CA students across country, I have seen people, they don't scared about costing. They are not scared about direct tax, indirect tax. No, arey sir, that we can manage. But they are scared about paper 3. Even the successful chartered accountants, what they say, successful chartered accountants. I never liked mathematics. I did not know how I cleared mathematics. I don't understand why this language they are using. And thanks to them, because of them, only our business is going on. Okay, but still, okay, openly, bluntly I said, but it's true only. Actually, it's not like that, my dear. Okay, so integral of x square into e power x dx is equal to, this is the final answer. For example, you have seen these type of questions. This question came 3 times. This is 5 minus x. Sir, what I used to do now, sir, I1 is equal to integral of 2 to 3 dot dot dot. I2 is equal to, sir, I will apply the property integral of 0 to f of x dx is equal to f of a minus x dx, sir. I will apply that property, I will take it as I2, then I will add 1 and 2, sir. 2i is equal to that integration, sir. Cancel, integral of dx will come, sir. X dx, sir, upper limit minus lower limit, sir. Then 2 will come here, sir. Wow, bre. At least mathematics students, you are doing it's fine. Why that non-mathematics students who have not done mathematics in their 11th and 12th should suffer? That is what my question. Because we have got direct answer. This question came 2 to 3 times, this type of question. My only approach is what? You need to identify the type of the question. Once you identify the type of the question, upper limit minus lower limit divided by 2, my dear. That's it, problem solved. Why we have to bother? See, this is the answer. See, I just like that I taught you 3-4 tricks. And all are important questions. I never wasted my time. These are the questions you might have solved earlier, and this is the way we need to approach. If you ask me that log trick and all, now you will be amazed. Sir, I used to write this much big, sir. No, my dear. It's very, very simple concept. Okay. So what I am requesting is, I want you to change your approach, my dear. Okay. Please change the approach. Wait, sorry. Okay, please change your approach toward the subject. The preparation is something different, my dear. A preparation is something different. Wow, many students, is there any internal problem? People are writing, sir, I think there is internal problem. Okay, and is there any am I audible clearly, my dear? No, fine, thank you. I hope everything is clear, right? Okay, done. So, approach towards the subject should be changed. So this is the way we need to approach. Most of the places, I'm not telling everyone, most of the places, this approach is not happening because many places, 11th and 12th faculty only teaching CA foundation. Have you ever seen IIT JEE faculty, okay, mathematics faculties, they never teach 11th and 12th. Have you seen that? Why they are different, you are different, how it is that partiality, you never questioned them, anyone? Why you are not questioning anyone? Sir, in IIT JEE mathematics teacher or physics teacher or chemistry teacher never teaches 11th and 12th. Have you noticed it? They are specialized only in that IIT JEE. But here what is happening? We also want, sir, 11th and 12th, this faculty taught me nicely, sir. The same faculty should teach in CA foundation. Array, what's nonsense, man? At least that specialization is something different. Now, if you ask me, can you teach 12th standard? I can teach 12th standard, but I still always believe that 12th standard teacher, 11th and 12th, the tuition teachers or school teachers are there, they are more expert than me, my dear. I know the concept only, but the way of presentation, they only know it. Do you agree with me? I can teach. It's not that I cannot teach. Okay, I can teach, but approach will be different. Their approach is different. So this, you are also not questioning only, na? 11th and 12th, I like this teaching. The same person is teaching in my CA foundation. Yes, sir, I am happy about it. I am very happy about it. That is wrong, my dear. Here the approach has to be different. So people are just misguiding. That's what I can tell you. Okay, so please, at least, if you are really, actually you people are trusting me, that is the reason you have joined with me, of course. Thank you so much. Please, at least now you change the approach towards the subject. Okay, at least now you change this. Still we have got time. I am not conducting this program on June 15th so that you will get scared. That is the reason I am conducting today, 1.5 months before I am conducting, so that if any queries, any questions, anything has to be changed, we have got sufficient time to change ourselves. Is that right? We have got sufficient time to change ourselves. You please go and approach wherever we have joined. If you have joined with me, approach me. If you have joined other people, just go and talk to them and tell them, sir, I want some different approach. You please tell them. Okay. So this is what we need to do. Next. Now, I think one person, Ashwini, got this thing. Okay, her patience is gone, it seems. She's saying her strategies, and that's what I'm coming to the point. First, let us understand what exactly the problem is. Then after that only we can proceed with the strategy, right? Then only you can understand what exactly the strategy is. 2 minutes. Give me 2 minutes. Next step. Let me start with this. Okay, sir. As you say, everything is perfect, sir. I also believe whatever you say. I believe, sir. Whatever you say, I believe, sir. Fine. But still, why people are failing, sir? You are also conducting every time this type of program. Okay. You can ask this question. Of course, you can ask this question. Nothing wrong in it, sir. You said every attempt you are conducting, but still people are failing, na, sir. Why? I will tell you the reason. After attending the programs, I am going to give you 3 important steps that has to be followed. It is not condition applied. And you will also, sir, that has to be followed only, sir. If you miss those steps, then you are gone. Okay. Let me tell you. Okay. Prathamesh, I will answer the question later. Okay. Let me tell you, my dear. As I told you, the approach towards subject should be changed. Okay. I'm CA Foundation student. Accounts paper, I am enjoying. Though it was very difficult, still I am enjoying. Law paper, though it was difficult, still I am enjoying. Paper 3, before question paper comes, we are gone. Actually, it's no need to receive the question paper. Okay. By the time we receive the question paper, everything will forget. Okay. And when you read the questions, first initially what you are going to go through, I'll tell you. When you read the question, first question, this is from which chapter? Clearly written, log of 1 plus x. Find dy by dx. But still we will think, this is from which chapter? Okay, there are 5 physics books, 4 chemistry books, 7 mathematics books. In how many ways it can be arranged? Permutation question. But still, this is from which chapter? Has sir taught this question? This will come to every person. Even I will also face the same thing, my dear. Don't think that. If I see accounts paper, which I'm least confident about that accounts paper, even everyone is going to face. So you are not wrong in that place. So what we need to do, first 5-10 minutes, just relax yourself as soon as you receive the question paper. Of course, just keep this in your mind. There are 100 questions. Even if I don't know first 20 questions, still I can score 50 marks. Please underline this word. Even I don't know first 20 questions, still I can score 50-60 marks in this paper. That we have, that place is there. Because I always used to tell my students, the difficult question paper, the most difficult question paper also will have 75 simple questions. Only 25 questions only going to be difficult. But remember, what is the 25 questions due to you know? It will disturb the remaining 75 questions. So if you are strong enough, you will avoid those 25 questions and you will attend only that 75 questions. That's what I said. You should know when to say no. That is the reason I said, okay, you should know when to say no. Don't fight with your ego. No. In the classroom also I did not get the answer. How here I will not get the answer? I will try. Don't do that. Okay, that is the best strategy what I can tell you. And one more thing. One more very important thing. Okay, one more very important thing. The person who can read all 100 questions in that 2 hours time, he will never fail in the exam. Let me tell you, sir, I did not understand the statement. One by one I will come. First, point number 1. The biggest problem in paper 3, and you people are avoiding those. That is, you people are overseeing that. No, that's not a problem. You are not accepting me. You are not, most of the time people are not accepting my statement. The actual problem is that only. What is it, time constraint. No one is accepting this. In 2 hours time, 100 questions to be answered. Is it possible? That is 120 minutes. In 120 minutes, 100 questions. That is 1.2 minutes only for every question we have. Where is the time? Time constraint. Work on time, my dear. No one is accepting it. The meaning of accepting is you are, sir, correct only, sir. What you are saying, correct. I am accepting only, sir. Then why you are saying not accepting? I will tell you the reason. Meaning of acceptance is what I am going to give the solution to improvise your time management. That you are not doing it. If you want to improve this time management, you have to write the test. That you are not doing it, my dear. It's not about practicing. You are practicing nicely. But if you write the test, then only you can improvise your time management. See, every class, wherever you are joined, every class test series is going on. Everyone is conducting test series. I don't want to blame anyone in that part. Everyone is superb test series people are conducting. Okay, so they are worst people, they are not conducting properly. That statement I will never make. They are fantastic question papers they are giving. Are we writing it sincerely? That too in this pandemic period, what exactly happened? You have a privilege to write it at home. No one is, because in my class also I used to tell the students, my dear, currently I have got students and I tell them, okay, the people, that's few number of people are there. So out of that, 20%, 25% are religiously writing the test. Remaining 75% not writing the test. I tell them, why you are not writing the test? They are telling me one reason, sir, if I write the test now, sir, out of 20, for example, I kept a test for 40 marks, 4 chapters, on 4 chapters. In that 4 chapter, if you say, sir, I prepared only for 2 chapters, sir, you kept for 4 chapters, sir. If I write the exam, out of 20 marks, I can score only 7-8 marks, sir. That is wrong attitude, my dear. What I say, my students, okay, it's fine. You prepared for 7-8 marks, you come and write that 7-8 marks so that we can ensure that 7-8 marks also you are getting or not. Otherwise, what will happen? You don't know whether your preparation is going right or wrong. Don't scared about marks, my dear. Why you are scared? That is from the, I don't want to blame for marks also, because from the childhood, everyone is putting that marks, and they come out of it, my dear. Sometimes you need to lose to win the big battle. Please understand. Okay, if you want to win the big battle, you need to lose. Without losing, no one can win the battle. Please understand that. So you have to lose. That is the real strategy. And here you are going to apply, sir, in the class test, that is, if I'm not getting good marks, sir, still I'm okay with that, sir. Still I'm okay with that, but I'll go and write the paper. Let me lose in this class test, but in the final exam, I have to win the battle, sir. This is what the strategy, real strategy you need to do. Are we doing it? Please let me mind. This is where people are contradicting with me. That is, they are not accepting my words. They are accepting, yes, sir, time management is the biggest problem. I agree, sir. You also, most of you might be repeaters, right? Most of you might be repeaters. Just rewind yourself. What exactly happened the last attempt? I was very happy. Most could score 40, 42, such a difficult paper. Still, you could score 40, 42, yeah, 45. I'm very happy about it. If the paper was very simple, at least 60, 65, you could have scored. But remember, have you noticed one thing? Just rewind yourself. Think about it. Could you read all the 100 questions? Most of them could not cross after 65th question. That is what the input I got it from the students. Maximum 65 questions they reached. Maximum 65 questions they reached. That remaining 35 questions, you could have got another 10 marks plus 10, 15 marks you could have got if you have got time to reach that 100 questions, right? The person who is reading all 100 questions, you could have cleared the examination, my dear, with the flying colors, 60, 70 and all, easily they can score. But most of them are unable to reach even 65 questions. To come out with that, what we need to do, just in that 2 hours time, try to at least, whether you are solving it or not, whether you are getting answer or not, but I need to complete all 100 questions, sir, at least by reading it, so that I know, even though if I score 40 marks, sir, 60 marks, I don't know, sir. I scored 40, I'm happy, sir. Now, if you could not read 100 questions, you write only 65 questions, what will you think? I missed that 35 questions. What if that question was very simple? See, it is all that guilty feeling always would be there and it will kill you, my dear. So, you need to work precisely you have to work on time. Time management, the person who knows how to manage time, definitely is going to clear the paper. Now, next question, sir, what is time and how to manage the time, sir? My only answer is very simple, my dear. It is not about your preparation. It is not about preparation because people are preparing for 10 hours. You people are really, I'm telling you, my dear, you are real hardworking people. You people, everyone. Because this program I'm conducting it on Zoom. You no need to come for this program. Of course. But you have come here for that one reason only. At least let's see what can be done to clear my paper. That is the only reason you have come. I did not force you. Your parents did not scold you. No one told you. We just sent the message and you are coming and sitting. So that means what? It shows your responsibility towards the subject. So I will not blame you people. But second mistake, the test series, we are still lagging, my dear. Either it is Bombay students or Chennai students or Bangalore, Hyderabad, everywhere it is same. So if you want to manage your time, the main thing what you need to do, it's not about your preparation, it is about your writing test, my dear. Then that only will give the perfect idea about your time management. So that you please never miss it. Okay, that you please never miss it. If any student who are you are attending my that is my math session, you also please listen to this, at least accept it. Okay, accept it and write it. I am not saying, you know about my nature. I don't get angry, you know it. Okay, I don't scold you people. Okay, whatever you say, I agree with you. This is what my nature is, right? Why you have not done this work? Why you have not? If you say, sir, I have got some other work, whatever I used to say, it's okay, but tomorrow you write and come. At least this is the statement I always make. So don't take it as an advantage. Please write it. Write all the tests. I'll be very happy if all are writing the test. Even The students who are not joined with me, for them also I'm opening test series. Okay, for this paper 3, I will tell you this later at the end of the session. Okay, anyone can join the test series. I will tell you at the end of the session. Okay, I'll tell you the end of the session. Fine. So test series plays very, very, very important role to manage your time. So first of all, you should know all 100 questions. We need to practice. If any question paper you are receiving, if I'm giving 30 minutes time for 20 marks, just first test, few tests, what you need to manage, in that 20 marks, in that 30 minutes, I need to complete all 20 questions, whether I'm answering or whether I'm marking, not like that. At least by reading, I need to complete it. Sir, that means I should, first 10 minutes I should spend for reading the question. No, that is also wrong. How I'm asking you to read, how I'm asking you to read. First question, yes sir, I know. This question I know, I can solve it very fast. Okay, do it. Solve it and mark the answer. Just ensure the marks first of all. First ensure the marks. Second question, okay, I know. Yes, this is just like that I can do it. Okay, just like that I can do it. Just mark the question. Next, go for the third question. Sir, this question I know, but it will be just time consuming. Let me not touch now. Go to the third question. This is where you are committing mistake. You aware this question is time consuming. This question is time consuming. Still we are doing it, my dear. That is a wrong sense. I will tell you. Correlation, special example I will tell you. Correlation is the best example. We always like x, y, n summation x minus summation x into summation y divided by n root of n into summation x square minus summation x whole square into root of n into summation y square minus summation y the whole square. Wow, fantastic. Sir, I know how to apply it, sir. I know calculator, sir. I can use the calculator just like that, sir. Wow, fantastic. But what I used to tell my students, don't attend these questions. Sir, remembering the formula, correlation formula for me very difficult, sir. What I tell them, don't remember. Because anyway I'm telling not to attend. Then why you are remembering the formula? This is my simple question, my dear. Am I right or wrong? I am telling her not to attend. Because there are so many. I am expecting 8 marks from correlation. I am expecting 8 marks from correlation. 1 mark is going to be based on that formula. Why should I put my effort into that? Remaining 7 questions are just like that going to come. Should I work on 7 questions or 1 question? This is what the strategy, my dear. This is where we are lagging. But that is my style of working is what, I teach everything. But I tell them, avoid this, don't waste your time. So, 4th question you are coming, sir, this is waste of time. I know the answer. I can do the answer, but it will take lot of time. Don't do that. Because at the end, after completing the entire question paper, that is, you will not get time to solve the simple questions, my dear. For 1 mark, maximum time for each question you can spend 2 minutes. Maximum question, few questions. Other questions are 10 seconds, 15 seconds also will join. On an average, if the question is little lengthy, maximum 2 minutes. If you think this is going to happen, that is, if I write this question, it is going to take 3 to 4 minutes. Don't attend. Say no to that question. Why you are attending unnecessarily? Are you applying this strategy in your life? No. Our strategy, 100 out of 100. 100 out of 100. Arey, who told you to score 100 out of 100 here? Arey, we people are struggling to score 40, 50 marks here, and we are planning 100 out of 100. Arey, 100 out of 100 automatically will come. Because last few attempts, I know my students are toppers in mathematics, especially 96 out of 100, 95 out of 100. So this is what marks, but they never, I always tell them, don't focus into 100 marks. First ensure 50, 60 marks. First ensure 50, 60 marks. After ensuring 50, 60 marks, then you go ahead with your dream. But without ensuring 50, 60 marks, from the beginning, I'll chase my dream, means it's a wrong statement. I hope you understand what I'm talking about, because you are brilliant in that language, what I'm talking. See, you understand 50, 60 marks first. Any brilliant student or any average student, anyone you take, I want you to ensure 50, 60 marks first. After that 50, 60 marks, chase your dream. Reach 100, reach 95. This is the mantra I used to tell my students. Chase your dream, but first ensure the minimum guarantee. Then after that you have to chase. Here in the beginning itself, if you have started chasing the dream, few people say, sir, my dream itself 50 marks, sir. Then what I have to ensure, sir? Arey, that dream is your 50 marks, sir. That is what you need to ensure. It's very simple to ensure. That is 50. Now today I am going to give the breakups. Today I am going to give the marks allotment, everything. You will feel, sir, 60 and all, I think without preparation I can score, sir. That's what the mindset you are going to have. That confidence only I am going to build it today. Okay, fine. So time management, I hope you will agree with me. Of course, you will agree with me, it seems. Fine, time management, and make sure that all 100 questions you have to read before going for it. And third mistake what people are committing, you people are thinking, sir, every time you are conducting the program, still people are failing. Why it is happening, sir? Because these are the things which you only can implement. I cannot implement now, my dear. Which you only can implement. Even see, I can say, if I am writing the paper, definitely I would have implemented. That statement I am not making. That statement I am not making, because even I also may go wrong. Okay, that statement I will never make. But I have trust in you people, you will do that, but you are not doing it. You have potential to do it, but you are not doing it. That is the only problem what I am seeing. Whenever now online classes, I always call my daughters to sit here to see, that is to see that monitor, so that they can see how disciplinedly they are sitting in the classroom. See, this is what CA courses, you people are my daughter's example. I am telling you this openly. You people are my daughter's example. See how sincerely they are studying. Okay, if they don't come also, no one is going to bother, but still they are coming and sitting. This attitude you also should have. So you have got that discipline thing, my dear. So don't waste it, okay? Don't waste it. So 100 marks, time management is the best thing, and still we are not able to score. That is another mistake what we are committing, I'll tell you. Biggest mistake. What is it, you know? It's a scribbling paper, right? You have to answer, you have to scribble it. You are not scribbling it properly. Many of the time you are not scribbling properly. Okay, you have to scribble it properly. For that, what we need to do? We need to avoid. That is, for example, test series that is online is nowadays what it is mandatory. Okay, online is the best platform. I don't want to this thing. I don't want to say no. You're not supposed to. No. Online is the best platform. We have to use it. Not to the extent there should be a limit. So what I'm telling you, you have to use that OMR sheets physically. You should know how to use. But here, what we are doing online, option A, click, option B, click. So there, can you click on the OMR sheet, sir? Option A, click, option B, click. Will you go to mark? No, you need to practice it. Okay, we need to practice. So scribbling the answers, very, very, very important. Many people are committing mistake. For example, I'll show you how people are doing it, because when they write an online test, I just always check their paper and I tell them, "Arey, don't do this and all." Look at this. How they scribble, I'll tell you. Sorry. See? Fine. For example, A, B, C, D. So scribbling means what? Because your papers are not going to get corrected by the human being. It is going to get corrected by what? A machine. Machine is going to correct the paper. If you are not scribbling properly, then you are gone. After scribbling only we realize, instead of option B, I scribbled in option A. I marked in option A, I am gone. So then we'll take the rubber, eraser will take. And here online monitor, that is this technology, helps me to erase just like that. But in your paper, what is going to happen? We use rubber. Okay, we'll rub. What happens? Paper gone. Okay, so we need to ensure, before marking, we need to ensure whether the answer is right or not, or at the same time, we need to ensure whether we are marking it properly or not. Many students are doing mistake on that. Next, few people are doing like this. I have seen their papers. That's it. Sir, the way you did na, sir, it is time consuming, sir. So I will mark like this and I'll come, sir. Who marks and all you will not get it. Okay, at least minimum 5 seconds you take for bubble it. Okay, please take 5 seconds, nothing wrong in it. So you have to reduce solving time. Take little more extra time for bubble it. See, I know the answer. If I did not bubble properly, what is the use then? Final, see, answer, the machine is going to correct your bubble only, na? It is not going to correct your answer sheets, na? So you have to be very careful. I hope you all agree with me. Am I right, my dear? So this is very important thing people are missing. Okay, this point now the people are missing, so don't do that. Okay, this is my second point which I would like to tell you. Next, okay, wait, sorry. Okay, so next, the other thing, I will come to those points, Sohail, don't worry. I will cover everything, because another 20-25 minutes is there. Wait, I will come to that point. Next point is paper solving is over, and the time constraint, everything is over, and the bubbling thing also got over. Next, while writing the paper, okay, you are writing the paper, right? You are writing the paper, question paper is given to you. You have to solve, na? For solving, I see how many sheets they are giving, worksheets, how many worksheets they are giving. Hardly one A4 sheet they are giving. You have to solve all 100 questions in that one A4 sheet. Sir, what I do now, sir, I carry the paper in my pocket and there go and solve it, sir. Few centers are allowing that. No, many centers are not at all. That is not allowed at all. You cannot carry your own papers. Please, first of all, you remember, sir, what I do now, sir, I write it on the question paper. That is also not allowed. That is also not allowed. Please understand that. So here in one sheet, See, what are the constraints? What are the peculiar constraints you are making? You are facing. One is, sir, 100 marks in 2 hours. If you ask me, sir, can you complete? Still, I will think, I will not give that 100%. No, I can easily complete. No, I will not say that. I will never say that, because it's a difficult task, and that difficult task only you are going to face. Okay, point number 1. Next one is this constraint, what I am talking about. Okay, this constraint is the most important constraint, my dear. This constraint is the most important constraint. We are least bothered about it. One sheet will be given, 100 question has to be answered, and we are admit card back. Hey Amrita, this is too much here. Okay, it is not allowed actually. If you want to do, even the table they are given, even there also you can write, nothing wrong in it, but it is not allowed, I am telling you. See, legally it is not allowed. Illegally, whatever way you can use it. Okay, that I cannot stop. Is that right, my dear? So, one sheet, 100 questions, one question paper, 2 hours, 100 marks. What a difficult challenge. If you ask me, the IIT JEE students, what phase they are going through now, it is more, that is your phase, that is what you are going through is more difficult than those people, my dear. That's what I believe. I don't know, no one is going to accept, that is a different story. Even you yourself not going to accept it. Okay, no, you are, that is what you are overconfident, that is what your confidence level, my dear. I am telling you, IIT JEE students, they are also struggling. I am not saying they are not struggling. Okay, but the way you are struggling now, their struggle is different. Their struggle is different, your struggle is different. So please understand that, because they are preparing to send rocket to the moon. So that is science their main sheet, science their main paper, mathematics is their main paper, but for you accounts and law is the main paper. This is third hand paper. Okay, if it comes, okay, if it doesn't come, okay, then what we can do, that is what our mindset is. In that way, so here, these are the challenges you are facing, my dear. Okay, so I'm really sorry about it if I'm blunt. Okay, I don't make any blunt statement, but still, these are the mistakes you people are committing. Please try to overcome with these mistakes. Definitely you can score very good marks. Don't dream about 100 out of 100 in mathematics. No, let us not dream about 100. Let us first ensure 50-60 marks. Then after that, let us chase the dream. But remember, if you ask me frankly, law paper you are writing, right? Don't tell this to law faculty. You are writing law paper, right? Whatever you write, for example, 10 mark questions you are answering. If teacher thinks, okay, let us give 8 marks, they will give. So for the same solution, if the teacher mood is not good, if she gives 4 marks, you cannot stop that. Am I right, my dear? You cannot stop that. Sir, I wrote law very well, sir. Last time the culprit was law paper. I hope you remember it, right? Culprit was law paper, not mathematics paper. Mathematics paper is very difficult, was very difficult. But still you could achieve 45, 46 marks. Whereas law paper was very simple. Many students flunked in law paper. They expected 60, 70 marks in law paper. At the end of they scored 45, 46 marks. At the end of the session, they scored only 46, 47 marks. Correct now? I hope you agree with me. I hope you agree with me. So law paper was the real culprit. We always blame mathematics paper. In that case, what I am trying to tell you is, mathematics paper is actually a real savior. Mathematics paper is a real savior. If something goes wrong with law or accounts, mathematics will help you to boost the marks. But what we do, if something goes wrong in law, accounts and maths, sir, economics is there to boost the marks. No. Mathematics only can help you to get the good marks. I hope you just, whether you agree it or not, I don't know, but this is the fact. Okay, I am just bringing you the facts, because of course you attempted maximum 2 times. I have attempted the CA Foundation CPT exam for last 21 times. Okay, that is my attempt only. I call it as attempt only, because last 21 that is last not 21 times, it is more than that. 20, that is almost 16 years. Okay, since the day they introduced CPT, from there onwards I am teaching, so it is at least 15 years. 15 years means 30 attempts. So you tell me who is having more experience in that. I am only having more experience than you people. So I attempted more than you people. So please follow my words. Okay, you attempted only 2 times or 3 times. I attempted 30 times. So please take my words, my dear. From the real experience I am talking to you. Okay, now, so this is what the things which we need to do. Now slowly let me give the bifurcations, and also this is what going to help you to score good marks. As you are asking about strategy, now I am starting. Please listen here. But everything was strategy only. I hope the program is going useful only, my dear. I will not waste your time. Even 5 minutes also I don't waste your time. So please let me come to the point. Okay, so that's what. I did not introduce myself properly. I did not introduce for where belongs to. Let us not talk about those things. At the end I will talk. If you want, you hear. Otherwise you leave. No problem. But listen this. This is what very important. See. CAFC paper 3. Total how much marks? Sohail says if you take 2 hours also will help. No. I will not take. Don't worry. It should be short and script, my dear. Crisp. So, we have got 3 different subjects. Maths. Thank you, Parvesh. Parshva. Maths, stats, logical reasoning. So, maths for 40 marks. Stats for, why I am saying law? Okay, stats for 40 marks and logical reasoning for 20 marks. Sorry, you did not talk anything about logical reasoning. I'll come to that logical reasoning. Now I'm going to start with logical reasoning because most of you all depends on the logical reasoning. Am I right, my dear? Sir, this 20 marks, sir, I want to ensure this 20 marks, sir. So what I'll do, I'll get the paper, immediately I'll solve logical questions, logical reasoning questions. My dear, that is wrong. First of all, you remember the question papers many times. I'm not talking every time. I'm consciously using the word. Many times questions are mixed. First question from probability. Second, that is the third challenge, my dear. Like time constraint is the first challenge. Okay, second challenge is what, in one sheet we have to write all 100 question answers. That is the second challenge you are facing. Third challenge is, first question is from probability, second question is from permutation combination, third is from direction. In first 10 minutes you have to think about 3 different subjects. It is like that is in 3 Idiots movie, that character, he used to write in both the hands, that is what you are doing. That is what you are doing, but you are not accepting it. You are not yourself, you are not accepting how big work you are doing. Can you please imagine, in first 10 minutes itself, you are thinking about 3 different subjects. It is like, first you are talking about history, second you are talking about geography, and third you are talking about GST or direct tax, indirect tax. Is it possible? Can anyone do it? But you are doing it. Please understand, you are doing it. So that is the reason I am always telling you, you are much more superior than other mathematics students. That's what I am always fighting with the faculties also. I give importance to those people here because they are facing the real challenge, not other people. Okay, so here the questions are what, bundled like 1 month paper, 1 month subject, 1 month topic, the questions are coming. Now, sir, first I want to attend logical reasoning. So first I'll search, where is the logical reasoning question? 20 questions are. Fine, I'll first 15 minutes I'll find out where logical question is. I'll start answering it, sir. Wrong attitude, my dear. You need to go with the flow. Okay, and also I used to tell my students not to attend logical reasoning at the beginning. Can you believe that? You always keep last 30 minutes for logical reasoning. Sir, why, sir? This is my 20 marks now, sir. How can you say that, sir? My dear, you don't know the addiction of logical reasoning. You don't know the addiction of logical reasoning. We love logical reasoning like anything because it's a puzzle solving. We love logical reasoning like anything. Blood relation, okay, blood relation, and this one, number series, that is puzzle solving. Code words, correct na? Code words, we are expert in code words na? So we love this topic, my dear. The addiction is what, how much time you are investing on that, you will not come to know. Please understand, you might have thought, okay, 20 minutes only I spent, by the time you see your watch, it is almost 45 to 50 minutes. For 20 minutes, for 20 marks, you are not supposed to spend 50 minutes. By the time you complete your logical reasoning, already 1 hour gone. In 1 hour, remaining 80 questions you have to attend. Is it possible? No. So, first of all, starting, let us not, if the questions are like this, first mathematics, statistics, logical reasoning, in that, if it is like that, then last 30 minutes only always keep it for logical reasoning. If the questions are mixed, I will tell you, sir, if the questions are mixed, then I should leave the questions or no. I will tell you which are the questions you are not supposed to touch in logical reasoning. Which are the chapters are going to kill your time in logical reasoning. That's what I am going to tell you now. First, let me start with logical reasoning. For example, first 20 questions are logical reasoning means what, and I told you, don't fight with your ego. Most of the people are fighting with their ego for this logical reasoning. How I don't know this answer? Outside what I will tell my friends, this blood relation questions and all, I'm expert, this and all, don't show it. Okay, please, keep low profile while attending logical reasoning. Okay, don't dance. keep low profile. Low profile only because logical reasoning is such a twist, na, you don't understand that. Okay, fine. Logical reasoning. First topic is what? Number series, coding, decoding. Second topic is direction. Third topic is seating arrangement. Fourth topic is blood relation. If you ask me, sir, out of this, which topic you will say which is important, you will say, sir. I say direction. Wow, fantastic, sir. I know direction very well, sir. Superb, sir. Thank you, sir. No, direction only people are committing mistake. Can you believe that? What mistake they are committing, you know? Raju goes north, taking right and taking left. This is the question. We always put our position into as a Raju. We always think we are Raju. I am going north, I am going right, I am going left. If you make like this, you are gone. And some people, okay, I am facing which direction? East, west. Okay, this is north, this is south. Okay, I am going towards this direction. Wrong approach. Approach means what, you know, logical reason. How to approach, you know? We have to get detached from the question. You are not supposed to get attached with the question. Sir, we don't attach with paper 3, sir. It's not like that. Logical reasoning, if you don't get attached also, it will pull you in. You will always keep, that is, you will think, okay, that is, okay. For example, blood relation. Okay, Raju's father's mother's son. And what is the relation with Raju and son? That person, if it is means, you will think about it. Okay, I am Raju, my father, my mother, and उन लोग का बेटा लोग है, मतलब उनका बेटा है, मतलब either it will be me only or it is my brother. So this is what you are thinking. This is wrong way of doing it. You got the answer, but there is a procedure. There is an analytical approach. There is a mathematical approach for logical reasoning every question, my dear. For example, direction. I always tell, please draw the diagram, then go with this flow only. Don't think or don't put yourself into the question. You got my point, my dear? So, which topic is very important as of now? Logical reasoning. So, sir, why you are, sorry, what you are saying is wrong, sir. I say, sir, it doesn't give importance to any topic, sir. I agree. Yes. But still, why you are telling direction, sir? Because so far, whatever question paper came out, because whatever I am sharing, everything is based on whatever happened in the past. History. Okay. So, my way of conviction is what, you know, 98% I am true. Whatever I said is correct. 2% may get deviated. That deviation may be 2% only. I am not going to say whatever I say 100% right. That's a wrong statement. I am not going to claim that. At least 98% I am right. So far, whatever question papers came out in CA foundation level, majority of the questions came from direction. Okay, maximum questions came from direction. So, what I am expecting is, so this time also they may ask. Say, actually logical reasoning, if they ask many questions from blood relation or logical direction, doesn't make any sense. We can answer any of the things. Okay, fine. So far, whatever happened, that only I am telling you. Next, number series, seating arrangement, blood relation. After direction, which one I should give importance, sir? Number series. See, we think each question has got equal weightage, each chapter has got equal weightage, 5, 5, 5, 5. It is wrong. Maybe what, you know, direction can come for 6 marks. Seating arrangement can come for 4 marks. 5, 5. Minimum I am talking about. Okay, this is what the questions now, that is marks are going to be get allotted as per ICA guideline. But you know, ICA can change the rule anytime. So if they change, so conditions apply only, I can say. So far this has happened. So now tell me, which one I will give importance most? Direction, blood relation, number series, seating arrangement. Now tell me, as far as direction is comes, you should not leave that question, you have to attend. But when the clock sum comes, okay, sum comes, or the shadow falls on which side, those problems and all come now, avoid attend those questions. Okay, avoid attend those questions at the beginning. If direct direction questions are asking, then only you need to do. Okay, next, number series, coding, decoding. Next importance, which should be, what should be given? This one, number series and coding, decoding. First, second, ranking I am giving you. Third one is blood relation. Fourth is seating arrangement. This is the ranking to be followed, my dear. Now listen here. Sir, seating arrangement, you said fourth, sir. Of course, my dear. Seating arrangement is fourth. But I like seating arrangement more, sir. But it will also take a lot of time to solve it, my dear. Time consuming topic. Seating arrangement is time consuming topic. So what we need to do, seating arrangement means, sir, 4 people arrangement, 5 people arrangement, 6 people arrangement. If these questions are coming, then only you are supposed to attend it. If 7, 8 people arrangement comes, don't do it. If 7-8 people coming, don't do it. Okay. If you're sure in answer, can we attend? Of course, if you're sure in answer, you attend it, my dear. I'm not saying that. See, the confusion, whenever confusion comes, stay away from that. So this is the order to be followed. Okay. But still, I can tell you, out of 20 marks, any student, all students, I can say, any student can score minimum 50 marks from this topic. I'm not giving you the confidence of 20 out of 20. Please note it down. You are focusing 20 out of 20, but I'm giving you the minimum guarantee of 15 marks. Statistics. Whatever you do, my dear, don't ignore this topic. Statistical description of data. Such a fantastic topic, my dear. Such a fantastic topic. Sir, full theory, sir. Very boring, sir. My dear, this is scoring. Please understand. See, invest time on this topic. Nobody is investing time on this topic. Even faculty is also not investing time on this topic. Okay. So many of the places, what happens, any club, wherever the coaching institutes, wherever, many places, what they are doing, first they are doing central tendency dispersion, then they are doing correlation regression, then finally they come to statistical description of data. It's a wrong attitude, man. That's a wrong way of approach. I told them, why you are approaching like this? Because I never approach like that. Why are you approaching like that? What they say, what reason people are giving, Arey sir, if I do statistical description of data, students will get bored, sir. Okay, so if they are getting bored, business will get affected. And it is not about getting bored, my dear, it is about scoring. Okay, if you know this topic, then only you can have well-wishes with the other topics. So please, when you are starting your preparation, many of them asking, sir, if I start preparation, which topic I should start, sir? Statistical description only you have to start. Sir, it is quite boring. Arey, let it be, man. Leave that scoring, boring and all. Please forget about it. This topic, if you learn this topic, I can tell you out of 40, you can score 10, 12 marks. Sir, you wrote weightage only 6 marks, sir. 5 to 6 marks, sir. Then you are telling 10, 12 marks, sir. Because this is the concept, okay? This is the base for the other topics, my dear. If you don't do this topic, but other topics and all will get affected. So please give importance to statistical description of data. You agree with me, my dear? So this is going to give you 10, 12 marks. 6 marks direct, 6 marks indirect. Okay, 6 marks direct, 6 marks indirect. Second, mathematics time value of money is very important, that every person in this world knows about it, right? Time value of money. Same way, statistics, you know which topic is like time value of money? I am expecting 8 to 10 marks from this topic alone. Don't get shocked, but I am expecting 8 to 10 marks from this topic alone. Okay? Yes. Now listen here. Yes, measures of central tendency and measures of dispersion. Very good, Akshay. Now look at this, my dear. 8 to 10 marks I am expecting. And sir, I have not seen these many questions. You don't know these questions came from this topic or not. Because what maximum time we are doing, we solve big table sums, X, F, summation, Fx, calculator taking. Array, that you are not supposed to do. That is wrong. See, for statistics, I suggest pure statistics, I suggest your ICA material, the best material. Okay, the best material is ICA material. Okay, I'll just give a small example. ICA material classified into 4 groups: set A, set B, set C, and additional question bank. What mistake you are committing, I don't commit, because the people who are attending my lecture, they know it, they will accept with me, because I never do set C, and I don't ask my students to do set C, but most of the places they do only set C, because you like set C. Okay, you like set C because you know to use calculators, you want to use calculator, you are running away from the concepts, you want to use calculators to make you happy. People are forced to do this calculator tricks, people are forced to do this set C problems. I'm not here to impress anyone. I simply tell the students, I will not do these set C problems. It doesn't mean that I don't know set C. Okay, I think my students will accept with me, sir. I know that they know it, but I will not do set C. Very important topic only I take and do it. What you have to do? Set A, set B, additional question bank. Because additional question bank is full of 90% theory, 10% concept. Set A, 100% theory. Set B, 100% concept. Now, and the additional question bank is what? Theory and concept. This is what the mixture. You know, out of 40 marks, I expect set C problems, all the subjects, all the topics from statistics, I expect 3 to 4 questions. Remaining 36 questions are coming from these 3. Now tell me, where we need to put your energy? Should I put in this or the other 3 things? Other 3 things. Okay, I am not here to impress you. I am here to teach you. I am here to tell you the way to success. If you do set A, set B, say additional. Sir, these things very simple, sir. But still, why we are not doing? Because we are ignoring that, because it is very simple. Okay, because it is very simple. Because set C is very difficult. No? That is what we are giving a lot of importance to set C. But what I am telling you, don't give importance to set C, my dear. For 3-2 marks, it is not worth. Even I tell, set C, it's waste of time, time consuming. Competitive exam cannot be approached like that. I hope now you understand. Please mark this, my dear. Mark my word. Okay, mark my word. Okay. Next step. 8 to 10 marks. And one more beauty I'll tell you in this central tendency dispersion. Out of 8 to, for example, if 8 questions are coming from this topic, we put our energy into median mode, geometric mean, harmonic mean, quartile deviation, mean deviation and range. Out of 8 marks, minimum 5 to 6 questions are going to exclusively come from arithmetic mean and standard deviation alone. Do you know that? You take your paper and check. Any paper you take and check it and challenge me. Okay. 5 to 6 marks out of 8 is going to come from only arithmetic mean and standard deviation. But what we are doing? Sir, quartile deviation, sir, when continuous distribution comes, I am finding it difficult, sir. Sir, mean deviation, sir, I don't do it if it is difficult means. Sir, but I like arithmetic mean more, sir. Then do it arithmetic mean only, na? Why you are struggling on the other things which is not needed? If at all, even if you don't prepare also, 2-3 marks you are going to lose. At least you can ensure 5-6 marks. For the 2-3 marks, okay, for the 2-3, Devi, I don't know till what time the class is going to happen, because I'm keep on doing it. Time is, for me, I think, I just wanted to do it in 1 hour time, but I don't think, since I want to give justification to this program, so let me continue another 20 minutes, okay? Yes, so 8 to 10 marks. Is that right, my dear? 8 to 10 marks. Do you agree with me? Say yes or no? Next. Third one. I'm just going to priority wise preparation, okay? I'm not going with your institute material order. I'm going with I'm prioritizing the topic. Yes. Index number. Next one is what? Index number. Okay. Please write in board what 5-6 marks will come. What is this? I don't understand. What is my write in board? I write in board, na? I wrote it in board 5 to 6, 8 to 10. Are what will come means I don't understand, mind. What questions they will ask, how I will know. Okay, 5 to 6 marks weightage, but I cannot. Augustine, I don't understand. What? Please write in board means I don't understand. Okay, index number. Again, 5 to 7 marks I am expecting from index number. Okay, 5 to 7 marks I can expect from index number. Index number is scoring. I hope you all agree with me. Last time, have you noticed the question? One table was given. Find the Fisher's formula, find Laspey's formula. Same table, but sir, it was simple, na sir? No. Have you seen the trick? Look at all the options. Every answer was very close to the answers. What, as a teacher, what we taught? Okay. By using calculator, if you do some approximation answer only, we always used to get in the class. But all the approximation answers were there in options. Now, which one you will select? These are the real challenges you are facing. It is not only the subject you are fighting, that is, you are fighting different battle. That's what I can tell you, but you are not realizing it. Okay, index number 5 to 7 marks. Fourth importance, what we have to give, such a fantastic topic, my dear. Again, 5 to 7. Okay, yes. What should we do then? What is, I don't understand. Theory or practicals in the question? Practical questions only mostly coming from index number. Okay. Hardly what, out of 6 questions, 2 questions may be theory. Remaining 4 questions or 5 questions, all are practical questions. Correlation, regression, 98% practical questions. Only 2% theory questions are expected. But don't waste your time. See, in correlation also, there are few questions. If I tell you, sir, in CA exams, no repetition questions are all coming, sir. No repeated concepts are coming. That's what people are believing. That is wrong. correlation, especially in rank correlation, only 4 types are there. If you do all the 4 types, one question you do and go, one compulsory question is there from that 4 types. Regression, only 3 types of questions. All 3 type of questions will be there in the question paper. Okay, just follow that. The 3 type of questions, you please go and ask your faculty, what are the 3 types of questions? If they know, they will tell you. Go and only prepare those things. Don't waste your time in so many things, my dear. Okay, so 5 marks easily you can do. Next, 5th is probability. 4 to 6 marks. 6th one, you don't like this topic, but actually speaking, very simple topic. Theory of distribution. Theoretical distribution. See, remember, nowadays they are asking so many questions from this theoretical distribution. Poisson distribution, binomial distributions, etc. etc. Okay. Achha, what should we do when all approximate answers? We can't help, my dear. You need to practice it properly. That is, calculator cannot be used. If all the options are approximate, very close answers, don't use calculator. That's what I can suggest. Okay. Theoretical distribution, 6 to 8 marks. You people are thinking the binomial distribution, Poisson distribution, normal distribution is very simple. No way. I can tell you, theoretical distribution, I always give introduction of 1 hour lecture. The people only, I tell the students, only watch that 1 hour lecture before exam and to go 4 marks confirmed. Only that 1 hour session will give you 4 marks. But what do? We ignore that 1 hour and remaining 10 hours we are sitting and wasting our time. If you don't sit for 10 hours, I don't mind. That 1 hour gives you mileage. Okay. So this is what all about statistics. I think you can easily ensure 20 marks. Let me be very much optimistic. 20 marks. Sir, I am expecting 30, but you expect 40 out of 40 also, no, who bothers? But at least 20 you can easily do it. Am I right, my dear? Any student can score 20 marks. I hope you agree with me. Come to your favorite, mathematics. First, yes sir. But have you noticed one thing? Last time, always we used to give 12, 13 questions come from time value of money. But last time only 6 questions came. This is what I say is. Last time only 6 questions asked from this topic, my dear. Only 6 questions. Okay, don't mistake me if something goes wrong in this attempt also. But exam, actually they have specifically mentioned 25% of the questions should be asked from time value of money. In their rule book it is written. But I say themselves they are not following the rules. So I don't want to comment on it. So time value of money based on their rule book, today also I am giving you 12 to 13 marks. Yeah, 10 to 12 marks. But last time they did not ask, not only last time, first CA foundation exam, I think 2018, they asked only 4 questions or 5 questions. Okay, but remaining all the terms, they asked 13, 14 questions. So last time 6 questions. Okay. Case file karenge. So then they will sue you, my dear. Second one, this time value of money, at the most first importance should be given to time value of money. Next topic, what should I give, sir? Equation. Of course, matrix is not there. In that equation also quadratic equation. For your information, my quadratic equation, only quadratic equation, it's freely available on YouTube. You please watch that quadratic equation. If you watch that lecture, I took it for 2 hours session. Okay, I can give you assurance of 3 marks. Okay, I can give you the assurance of 3 marks. That 2 hours will give you 3 marks. Lot of tricks used. You go and watch my YouTube lecture. Okay, you go and watch my YouTube lecture. So equation, quadratic equation. Equation, linear equation, quadratic, cubic, biquadratic, 4 are there. But which one is more important? Quadratic. But what we do linear equation, we do cubic equation, biquadratic, we ignore quadratic. But most of the questions are coming from quadratic only. Okay, I have seen few people material. Okay. Yeah, I will tell you at last I will tell you all the details, my dear. I hope you will wait at the end of the program. I don't want to disturb you in between. Okay, I don't want to disturb you in between because a lot of announcements are there. At least 10 minutes I will take at the end. Please attend that last 10-minute session. It's a very important announcement I am going to make. Third one. Third important topic what we need to give after time value of money, after equation. What important topic? Sir, which one I should give, sir? You will be shocked if I say you. Linear inequalities. Sir, this is not even, weightage is also not big. Hardly one question, if at all comes, means hardly one question is going to come. Okay, and this one, equation, I am expecting around 4 to 5 marks. 1 to 3 marks is only going to come, you are telling it is important? Because if it 1 to 3 marks comes, you can easily score 1 or 2 marks. It's very simple. That too with my tricks. Without even writing anything, by reading the question, you are going to give the answer. With my tricks, even without writing anything, you are going to give the answer. So of course 1 to 3 is obviously it is possible, my dear. Fourth one. Sir, after this, which topic should I give preference, sir? Sequence and series. Wow. You never expected that. You are expecting ratio proportion, I know. But I did not give ratio proportion. I told you sequence and series. Can you believe, my dear, sequence and series, 90% tricks are there. 90% questions can be solved by tricks. 95% questions can be solved by tricks. Okay, hardly 5 questions only need formula. 5% questions only need formula. That also generally it's not coming in the exam. So remaining 95% tricks, we can solve it. Then ratio, proportion, indices, log. Remember, there is ratio topic. Which topic you should give? Sir, ratio, proportion, indices, log. Which one I should give lot of importance? Sir, logarithms. Okay, minimum 2 questions definitely going to come. It's compulsory. 2 questions are going to come from logarithms. So logarithms always give importance. And ratio. When it comes to ratio, you always remember one thing, my dear. Do word problems. We always like to find out duplicate ratio, triplicate ratio and all. If it comes without preparation also, you are going to give the answer. Am I right, my dear? Without preparation also, you can give the answer. Where we need to work a lot, word problems, like coin based sums. Okay, like sharing based sums. These problems you need to work a lot. Okay, fine. After ratio, proportion, indices, log. After ratio, proportion, indices, log. What is next, my dear? Sets. Sir, such a boring topic, sir, sets. Or don't tell, sir, sets. But remember, my dear, sets, relations, function. Such a beautiful topic. Sir, as a faculty, you will always say that. No, not from faculty point of view. As a student point of view, no hard working, no formula, nothing. Just like that is full. Actually, I call it as English subject. Okay, if you know how to convert mathematically, this one and permutation combination. If you know how to convert mathematically, you succeed in the paper. So that's what I say. But still, if you leave also, I don't mind. But still, it's nice topic, my dear. 3 to 4 marks. Your favorite now. You know how much questions are coming from permutation combination? Maximum 4, minimum 3. And where we are working, sir, big questions. Sir, zenith, rank of the word zenith. Wow, fantastic questions, sir. Little lengthy questions, sir. I know that question, sir. Why you are wasting in those questions, my dear? Okay, that is waste of time. Okay, waste of time. What we need to do? NPR sum, NCR sum, find the value of N, find the value of R. This question always we ignore. With this question, that trial and error method, you will get the answer. We ignore that and we will go to that board sum. 3% rowing on the left side, 2% on the right side. In the table, these many. Who told you to do that? Because if it comes also, you are not going to answer. Then why should you do that? Instead, NPR, NCR, trial and error you do. Out of 4 questions, minimum 2 questions are going to be that only. 2 questions are going to be word problem. Now tell me, my dear, which is simple here? At least ensure 2 marks, na? Ensure 2 marks, na, man? Next, finally, calculus. Again, 3 to 4 marks. Remember, most of the people are not covering one question in calculus. That is differentiation. Many of them are not many of them. Even institute also not covered. Okay, in the question paper, that is in the exercise and all. Institute also not covered. But remember, every time question is coming from that part. That is application of derivatives. Have you ever heard about this application of derivatives after 12th standard in CA foundation level? I don't know whether you heard it or not. Application of derivatives. Compulsory question. Out of 3 marks, 1 question is coming from here. In the institute material, exercise sums not there. One example sum covered. Example sum they have covered. Okay, but they are ignoring this. Including differential calculus and integral calculus, it is 3 to 4 marks. Okay, now look at this, my dear. Now, let us ensure time value of money. Can't you score 8 marks? Yes. Equation. Can't you score 4 marks? So, not 4, 2 is enough. Linear inequality. Can't you score 1 mark? Sequences. Can't you score 3 marks? Ratio. 2 marks. Sets. 2 marks. Permutation. 2 marks. Calculus. 1 mark. Yes, tell me 3, 5, 7, 10, 11, 13, 8 to 21. So 20 marks up just like that is coming, my dear. Okay, 20 marks just like that it is coming. Am I right, my dear? So total how much? 20 plus 20 plus 15. 55 marks. Such a simple topic it is. Such a simple topic it is. So don't waste your time. Scoring 40, 50 marks in mathematics is nothing. Our aim should be now. After giving this statement, I am telling you, our aim is not scoring 50, 60 marks. Our aim, everybody's aim should be minimum 80, 90 marks. Please remember this word. Now we will chase our dream. We know how to achieve it. Now we will chase our dream. This is what the dream you are going to, that is dream, my dear. That is 80, 90 marks you are going to think about it. Is it not simple, my dear? It is very simple. You got my point, my dear? So this is what all about my strategy session. Now let me introduce myself. I myself Sheikh Mohammed. Now I am an independent teacher. I have started my own institute and running my institute. Okay, there I am conducting maths classes, maths lectures I am conducting. It's going on. Very good response. Okay, very good response. Now I hereby announcing I am going to cover paper 3 in 7 days, just 7 days time, in 30 hours. Let's imagine 30 hours, 7 days, I am going to give 100% coverage. The person who can follow that 30 minutes, 30 days session, sorry, 30 hour session, minimum 80 marks they can score. That challenge I am giving you, my dear. Okay, if you are not satisfied, after that you can come and talk to me. But I am going to announce this batch on 25th of May and 31st till 31st of May. So this 7 days batch I am announcing. Of course, fees chargeable only, not free of cost. Online only I am going to conduct. If you are interested, you please, I have given my number. You can take down my number and you can message me, or we will send you the messages. In that you can reply, you can register, because we got your database. We will send the message, and if you are interested, you can join in that batch. 25th of May, I am going to start this batch. Absolutely, 30 hours, 7 days, full coverage. And after that, preliminary exam also I am going to conduct for all subjects, of course. All subjects preliminary examination. So all the benefit you will be getting, my dear. So if you are really interested, you can come and join with us. And also I am announcing a free test series on mathematics. Don't message me now because I am not reading my maths. Okay, sir, met you in the KZ classes, really enjoyed a lot. Thank you, my dear Kaveri. Okay, please don't message me, I am not reading your messages. So please remember this if you are interested, and also if you like that program, you can please share that is information to your friends also. Of course, let them also join if they want. Okay, so I don't want to take much time, my dear. My institute name is Thankyou Professional Academy, and this is my number. You can, even for any support, any subject support is needed, you can give me a call for asking doubt and all. If you have got now, say please note down my number 9940687199. This is my personal number. Okay, I am giving personal number to all of the students, because still now I never get disturbance from the student. Last I think 12-13 years I am using this number, and I give my personal number to everyone, but I never got any disturbance from any of the students. So that is the reason I am giving my personal number to everyone. I hope when it is needed, any support is needed, any doubt in mathematics, doubt solving, please approach me. I am there. And the online Zoom live recording session I am going to conduct, and the lectures, that 7 days lecture also will be recorded and will be uploaded to you. Even today's program also got recorded. Even this program also I will share it with you on Thursday. You can get it, my dear, in your database. You will get the message. So please wait for the message. Don't miss any of the message. So today's program also recorded. You can share it to your friends if you like it. Okay. Yes. So on 25th I am conducting. If anyone is interested, you can join. Yes, crash course will be in morning, my dear. Somebody sharing whiteboard, Faiza, I did not notice it. Okay. Crash course in the session morning. What is please give us? Augustine, I don't know what is please give us. I don't know what is. I did not read any of your marriage. Sorry, marriage. Message. Sorry. Okay. It is not free of cost, my dear. Of course, it is not free of cost. Fees and all you will get it message, my dear. Don't worry. Because if you like it, then only you are going to join. So, okay. Please give screenshot. Which screenshot, my dear? Sir, did you use teach in MT? Yeah. Yes. I used to teach. Okay. Any video for quadratic equation, theory of normal distribution, quadratic equation video is available in my YouTube channel. Today you will get the message about my YouTube channel. WhatsApp tomorrow you will get it, or if you want, strictly mathematics is my channel, strictly mathematics. Actually in the WhatsApp message you might have received my YouTube channel or link also. You can check it now. The channel name is strictly mathematics. There quadratic equation uploaded. Not only that, classroom assignments and all, everything is there. You can say that. No, Ambernath branch, I think once or twice I came. Please give screenshot of that mark, sir. Okay. Acha, mark scheme. Okay. This one, okay. You can take it. Upload statistics first 3 chapter. Okay, Ashwini. Sir, is it even chargeable to your present? No, my present crash course students already, you people paid now. Why you have to pay two times unnecessarily? Why you are asking this question? I told you already. Arey, you already paid. Why I need your money? Even this batch also, I am going to give the recording, crash batch. I am spending lot of amount on recordings. So for that I need to charge. Okay. Sir, you will visit Mumbai. Hey Zainab, last week I was there in Mumbai only, Zainab. yesterday morning only I came back from Mumbai. Okay. Sir, what is the fees for? You will get the message. See, not more than 1,000 rupees. Fine, that's it. Okay. Free of cost lecture for maths. Sabah, it's not possible. Okay. Sir, where is the 1 hour lecture test series? Or yes, test series program. I told you, chapter-wise test series. You will get message if you are interested. If you are interested, register for the test series. If you are not interested, please ignore the message. Please ignore the message. Sir, I don't want to receive your message means you can just call us and inform, sir, please delete my number. We will not disturb you. But if still number is there, you will keep on getting the messages about test series, about crash batches. Please don't get disturbed. So now itself I am telling you, my dear. What is the first 1 hour lecture of theoretical distribution? What I have not done only. Sir, marks weightage ka SS I want to take. Yeah, screenshot hai na, le lo. Sir, going only ICA model is, yes, paper 3 ICA model only sufficient. See, ICA model is your Quran, it's your Bible, it's your Bhagavad Gita. Don't ignore that, huh? You can't see the screen. Oh, sorry. Aha, just noticed. Sorry. Yeah, I think now you can see the screen. Okay. Where can I practice LR from? No need to practice LR from. Actually, what you have to do, if you want to really practice LR from, then what you need to do, CAT questions, MAT exam questions, online you visit and download it. Timing for crash course is 7:30 to 11:30. Okay, thank you, Faiza. Bye. Chalo, you tell me, my dear, anything was the program useful to you? Did I took lot of time on you people? No, na? Sir, face-to-face classes. For Chennai students, face-to-face classes available. Face-to-face classes available for Chennai students. That March 25th batch, face-to-face classes available for Chennai students. But other cities, now it is not possible. Of course, I am visiting all the cities. I am starting my branch in all the cities also. Thank you, Aryan. Thank you so much. Thank you for session. Thank you. Yeah, test series free of cost. Right? Test series and all I will not charge, man, because test series I have already got my app. You have to download the app. You have to write. See, I don't want unwanted money, my dear. This is recording I have to spend. It's very useful. Na, thank you. It was amazing session. Wow, thank you, my dear. Thanks for your support. App name I will send you. In the WhatsApp message, everything was sent. Very useful session. Thank you so much. Okay, I will share the link also. This recording also I'll share. I hope you enjoyed, my dear. So if you have got any feedback, please send it to my number. Okay, if you have any problem, sir, this statement or anything, any feedback, any suggestion, please drop the message. I always believe my students are my teachers. So I learn everything from you. Please, anything is there, you please drop. Boosterna, thank you. Thank you so much, my dear. We'll meet. Yeah, will be WhatsApp message. Yes, everyone will get WhatsApp message. All the messages will get. From tomorrow onwards, you will get the details, my dear. From tomorrow onwards, you'll get the details. Wow, thank you. You will surely join. Okay. Fine. So, shall we end the program, my dear? Sir, I am having my BCom exam tomorrow. I will call you. Sir, thank you. No problem. Thank you, sir. This much needed session. Thank you. Fine. So, bye all of you. Have a nice day. Enjoy. Is anyone want to talk to me? You can raise your hand. We can talk in person also. I don't mind. If you are raising your hand, you can raise your hand and you can ask me. Anything you would like to ask, you can. You do not, just call me, just message me. Okay, Reema wants to talk to me. But Reema, there is one condition. If you want to talk to me, you have to open your video and talk to me. I'm very happy that this meeting was so productive, sir. Huge respect to you. Oh, thank you, Tejaswini. Reema, can you open your video? You can talk to me. You can unmute and talk to me. Hello?
Hello, sir.
Yes, Reema. Tell me, Reema.
So this test series link we will get.
Yes, everything you will get.
Okay.
Arey, see, if you don't want any message from our side, drop me the message. I will delete your number. Because from tomorrow onwards, you will get test series link. You will get other programs link. So many mentorship program I'm planning to conduct. Those mentorship program link also I'll share it with you. So that is what, I want at least next 1 month we need to use productively. So if you are interested, you please stay in that message only.
Want to get the test series.
Yeah, test series also you'll get it. So please, number let it be. There is any
And
WhatsApp.
sir, after writing the test series, the checked answers when will we get?
For mathematics, paper 3 only test series is planned, okay? Preliminary exam for other subjects. That is after June 5th I'm conducting. The moment you complete your test, the next second you will get all the marks. Next second you will get it. As soon as you submit, how many questions right, how many questions wrong, and also one more thing, the test series questions explanation videos will be available in my YouTube channel. That also free of cost.
P3.
Yeah, P3. Yeah.
Classes.
Yes, strictly mathematics. From there you are going to get my explanation video also for all the question papers.
Okay.
So it's okay for you now. So you join through the link. Dikshita, note down my number, Dikshita. I think you any queries are there, you can drop me the message. I will answer all your queries. Is there any fees for test? Test series and all, why will charge fees, man? Yeah, there will be negative marking straight. Yeah, of course, negative marking is there. What I say following the same rule now. யுவி நீ எனக்கு ஃபோன் பண்ண அப்புறம் பேசிக்கிறோன்ட்ட உன்னை தமிழில் தானே அட்டன் பண்ண சொன்னேன் சார் கேன் வி கால் யூ இஃப் எனி அஃப்கோர்ஸ் யூ கேன் கால் ஓகே அஃப்கோர்ஸ் யூ கேன் கால் ஸ்னேஹா வாண்ட்ஸ் டு டாக் டு மீ ஸ்னேஹா யூ ஹேவ் டு ஓப்பன் யுவர் வீடியோ பட் ஃபார் யுவர் பர்சனல் ரீசன்ஸ் யூ ஆர் நாட் சப்போஸ் டு ஆஸ்க் மீ ஒன்லி மேத்தமெட்டிக்கல் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் யூ கேன் ஆஸ்க் you did not get any messages, okay. If you are not getting any message in WhatsApp means I think you are not registered or I think message not delivered. So I will look into that, okay. I will look into that. Yes. Good evening, Sneha.
Sir, you told about that batch, sir.
Crash batch.
I want to join that batch.
Yes.
Sir, I want to ensure that tricks will be followed by you in that batches.
What?
The tricks you told.
Yeah. That is in 30 hours without tricks. How can you cover all the syllabus?
Okay, sir. Yeah. Actually, sir, I'm doing self study. So that is a problem.
It's not a problem. It's a good thing, na.
Yes, sir.
Even my full recording lectures also available. If you want, you can purchase that also, or otherwise you attend my crash batch. That is more than enough.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Actually, last time just for 2 marks I lost in math. So I'm very scared of it.
You give me 7 days. I will make sure that you will score very good marks in mathematics paper.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Can you please share the details about
all the details. See, if you are not receiving details tomorrow, day after tomorrow, in 2 days, if you don't receive, please give me a call.
Yeah, sure.
Please.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. In which app means my own app, my dear. Ramesh, about maths and economics, test paper will be corrected by the app only. Accounts and law, fantastic people are correcting. Actually, that quality is going to something different, and the people who are correcting all are chartered accountants, and one person is company secretary who is law faculty. Who is a company secretary who is correcting law. Other chartered accountant, she is correcting, and she is, I should not reveal that, but she is ICA board examiner. Sir, I want recorded lecture of current going batch. What is the fee, sir? Guy, you please give me a call. I will tell you. Sir, thank you. Fine, my dear. Acha, Sneha Singh, I think you spoke. Nandan, Sai Nandan. Yes, Sai Nandan. Sorry. Wait, Sai Nandan. I did not unmute you. Yes, sign and then tell me what do you want. Hello, you want to talk to me? Sign and then unmute. Unmute yourself, unmute yourself. There is a mic button. Please unmute yourself. Oh, sorry, it's my mistake. Yeah, now you can unmute.
Hello,
Yeah,
sir. Good
yeah,
evening, sir.
good.
Sainandan, sir.
Yes, good evening, Sainandan. Tell me, was
Sir,
program
it's my
useful
first
to
attempt, sir, of
was the
CA Foundation.
was the
Can I-
program wait was the program useful to you?
Yes, sir. So it was very useful, sir.
Thank you, my dear. Tell me, what do you
I
want?
felt very happy, sir.
Ah.
Sir, this is my first attempt, sir.
Yeah, good.
Can I clear it if I prepare well, sir?
Why you cannot clear? First of all, you will clear.
Yes, sir. I want to join the 7 days session, sir. So
Of
they
course,
want the details.
that is from tomorrow onwards. You will start receiving the message.
Yes.
If you don't receive the message, then you can. I have given my phone number to you. You
Yes,
please
yes.
call me. Yes. Somebody wanted record lectures. Please give me a call. And this Telegram also. I've got my Telegram channel. You can join Telegram channel. Shake CFC Paper 3 is the Telegram channel name. Or you drop the number. I will send the links of everything. The Telegram channel link, and you will keep on getting the updates. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You just drop the message. I will send you the Telegram link to you. Because there are 1300, 1400 students are there in that group. So
Yes.
any doubt is there, even they themselves sorting it out, such a fantastic group. You come and join, you will enjoy.
Yes, sir. I enjoyed this session also.
Wow. Thank you, my dear. Thank you, Sainandan.
Thank
Yes.
you, sir.
Shall we make a leave, my dear? Thank you so much for attending my program. I'm really thankful to you. Thank you so much. Yes. Bye. Sir, can I have recorded lectures of? Yes. Don't go. Ray, who is it? Yeah, no, not here. Sainandan, send it to my phone number. See, 9940687199. Yeah, I will provide the recording of this session. Don't worry. After 4 days, you will get it. Okay. So, anyone wants to join in my Telegram channel, you send a hi message to me. I will share you the Telegram channel link. Bye, 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 bye.